can't look back, no time to say why. Think of the rush as the moments fly. Living free right now, oh my, oh my. On for the ride, feel the power. Every second, every hour. Feel this heart, never cower. And we realize the thrill. Sunset calls my name so bright. In this world I find my life. One more jump and it's alright. Raging heart winning every fight. Life ain't for the faint of heart. Just like a bullet never parts. In this rodeo I'll take my part. Feel the soul right from the start. Rodeo life strode upon the stars. Rodeo life's extraordinary, crowded. Cowboy my mind's never worried. Through the dust and through the flurry, every ride tells a story.